Venezuela ya mukoretwo magithina mbere na gucukirwo Njuragano ya Olga Fonseca na uria woragirwo mwaka-ini wa 2012 riu megukorwo magitungata kiho kia miaka 20 jela-ini ni itemi-ini kana matari itemi riria rirakinyanirio ni igoti rimwe kuria ihoya ria uria kugeria kurekererwo na mbero rigakorwo rigithikiririo kuma mweri wa January mwaka ukite na kuria igoti rigakorwo rigiciria kana no rimaikiririe na bill.
Authority on the objectives of between threat and punishment bears most relevant influence in determining the crime doer. The court has to take circumstances of the offense and the life was lost on the night of the 26th of July 2012. The deceased, who was then the Venezuelan ambassador to Kenya, was found murdered in our official residence in Runda Estate in Nairobi. At the conclusion of the trial, I found the 4 accused to be culpable of murder, therefore mandated to look at the circumstances of the case and take into account the mitigation by accused and the objectives of sentencing as set out in the sentencing policy guidelines. Having taken all these factors into consideration, I sentenced each accused as follows. First accused, Dwight Sagari Kobold, is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. Second accused, Ahmed Mujivani Omido, is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. Alex Sifuma Wanyi, third accused, is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. Fourth accused, Moses Kiprotich Kalia, is sentenced to serve 20 years imprisonment. The sentences shall be deemed to run from the 25th day of January 2023, being the date of their post-conviction custody. Each accused, as per law, has 14 days right of appeal to the Court of Appeal against both conviction and sentence.
Tekare o magoti ni shira wajaki mariben